Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an assignment with a colleague using the invite button. I'm starting off on my assignment page. I'd like to send this assignment to one of my colleagues, so I'm going to click the action button and then I'm going to click invite. Here I can personalize the message or just leave it as it is, and you can see that there are 3 spaces for names and 3 spaces for email addresses. So I would put the name of the person I'd like to send it to along with their email address. I can add more if I want by clicking this add more button, and I can CC myself on the email. Once I've finished entering all this information, I'm going to click send invite and my recipient will get invited to view the assignment. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the help or feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.